Here you have an abandoned private railroad crossing on, I believe, 124th Street in Torrance, California. Either Torrance or I'm gonna have to see exactly which city. I can't tell. Here we have two signals. Here we go with the first one. This is part of the Ex-ATSF Harbor Subdivision. So it has a safe tran base, safe tran gate mechanism, safe tran bracket, safe tran 8-inch lights, and we have a federal signals mechanical bell. A very rare mechanical bell indeed. Federal signals, I believe is the either federal signal or right before the merger. See, they installed a dot tag in case this malfunctioned, but this crossing has no power to it anymore for the past couple years. So there's a light still broken off. It seems like it used to have 7-inch gate lights, and yeah. Okay, here we are at the other side. Here we have a safe tran base. This one has the gate all weathered. It's all moved and bent and rusty. We have a safe tran gate mechanism. More safe tran 8-inch lights. We have a safe tran mechanical bell and a safe tran bracket. See the lights here. That up. Yeah, this has been a tour of this crossing. It's part of the Ex-ATSF Harbor Subdivision, which has been abandoned since 2002. There's looking toward that way. I believe there's a couple more signals. There's looking toward that way. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this crossing tour, and thanks for watching.